Hello or Namaskar, मैं हूँ Rahul and today we are gonna try one of those biryanis which has suddenly erupted all over the market. Known the Donne Biryani, and we are in Bangalore. First, let's talk about Donne Biryani, the pride of Bengaluru. Its origins are robust as its flavors. Imagine 17th century Maratha warriors camped in the region, needing a filling, portable meal, or pictures of the 19th bursting with fresh mint and coriander and a spice mix unapologetically bold. We are doping in with mutton and chicken curry. But history is one thing, taste is another. And this is where magic truly comes alive. The food, rooted in its history of simplicity and resourcefulness, is an absolute delight to senses.